So this thrift store is like one of my favorite thrift stores. I love the workers. I love the cause that they have. They're the coolest people ever. They do dollar bins every year, twice a year, I think they said. They prepare for it all year. It was crazy. It was like a koi pond when you drop in all the nuggets at once.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Okay, we'll put the clothes in here then.
Okay.
Ready, Graham? I couldn't believe I found these right off the bat. 1 Teaspoon is a really nice jeans brand. These will probably sell for like 40 bucks. And I found these right off the bat. The busted knee. Yeah, these will sell great. High-waisted. Love 1 Teaspoon. It sells great for me.
Prana. It's like Prada.
Okay.
But better.
No. So Prana is an activewear brand sold at REI. And this is like a tankini top. It's summer. I love selling swimsuit stuff, like I said, in nicer brands. And it's just a tankini top, but this should still sell for like 25 bucks. Okay, I think this is a really good pickup actually, because the comps I'm seeing, this is like a Belgian army brand, and this could be vintage. I'm gonna do more research on this, and hopefully future me will have some more insights, but I'm seeing comps around $50, 30 to 50. So if it's like a vintage Belgian military jacket, yeah, this could be really good.
See no brand on this one.
Do you have any thoughts, any guesses?
I would think
this is what tipped me off.
Are they ashamed to advertise who made it?
I was looking.
So
I always
Three
look.
Stitches. Is it the 3 Stitch Company? Oh,
Lululemon.
Girls Head.
Girls Head.
Lululemon.
This is, I believe it's a men's sweater.
Wow.
Love selling men's. I think this is at least 40 bucks.
Nice.
We love.
Okay.
I was so excited, and it's reversible.
Oh man. Oh, that's why they don't have the brand on it.
I believe it's reversible. Yeah, reversible sweater.
Wow.
Very cool. So when I was looking up comps, I noticed that my friend Josh, aka Vogue Squared, actually is selling this exact same sweater on eBay. So I just had to give him a quick shout out. You guys should follow him on Instagram. He is really cool. He sells a ton of stuff every year and finds really great stuff. LNA, new with tags. Stop it right now for $1.
Never heard of it.
And no, this is an activewear brand. It is like a super soft, like rayon blend full zip. This will sell for like 50 bucks, 40 to 50.
Nice.
And it's, yeah, brand new.
I know.
Yeah, Blank NYC, I picked this up mostly because it was new with tags. And it does tend to sell okay for me. They're a very small size 25 with the Moto zip that is a little dated of a style, but I do think these will sell for at least 15 to 20 bucks.
I watched you on YouTube.
Oh,
So I
thank you. I was like, oh.
I can't believe I'm seeing you in person. Like, I was seeing you behind a screen.
Disappointing, isn't it? It's like, oh.
Yeah. Yesterday morning I went to estate sale. It was by, like, I don't know the neighborhood. I'm like recently new to something. And I walk in, it started like 20 minutes ago, and there's this table of old Wranglers and Levi's. And I'm like, okay. So I start seeing my orange tabs, and then I see a big E. And I was like,
girl,
stunned. 'Cause I was like, I know about Big E, and I'm like doubting myself. I'm like looking up, I'm like, what is a Big E supposed to look like?
Yeah.
Turns out I did some research with the Heddles Guide. They're a late 1960s Big E, selvage, red line, all of it.
Oh my gosh.
Dark wash, listed at $14.95, hoping for $1,000. I got a couple of offers. I got like 3 offers, 4 offers. for 1,000, one for 1,200.
Oh
But I know
my
a local
gosh.
guy, and he saw I had it listed on eBay. He was like 1,100 final offer in cash.
Wow.
Nothing. And I dropped it off to him this morning.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations.
I got 1,100 cash. I know.
Huge. What'd you pay for them?
$5.
Wow.
5 into 1,100.
Yeah, biggest
so
sale.
I bow to
I know
you.
what that
That's
is.
insane.
I like Free People because it's
Yay!
very easy to tell.
Free People.
Very unique tag.
Free People is great and it looks to be in good condition. What I also like about Free People is this is such a cute dress. If it has an OB on the tag, the fabric tag, OB and a bunch of numbers, that usually is the style name, and you can just Google that and find the exact style name and stock photos of the item. Okay, so this is actually the Free People Neon Garden mini dress. It sells brand new for $108, and the resale, I'm seeing people trying to sell it on Poshmark, eBay for like $65.
Nice.
So maybe 45? This was so exciting. I was like, yes, are you kidding? I love picking up equipment. I mean, it's a little bit, we have to inspect it and make sure. It looks to be in pretty good condition. Equipment Femme, if you ever find this, their silk shirts retail for a ton of money. And yeah, 100% silk. It has the contrast collar, pink. I think this will sell great. So I am going to list this for like $50 to $70 and see what happens. The reason I grabbed this Teach quiz is because why?
One stitch.
Means
Vintage.
yes. And it
Apparently
says
people
here,
like that.
1986 Liberty Graphics. This is a 1986 t-shirt with this
Wait, you're saying
lizard on it.
In 1986?
Yeah, this is a 1986 tee. It has a lizard on it. I don't know what this will sell for. Maybe 20 bucks, but still.
Want a Gatorade?
Oh, bless you.
I'll get you a refill too. How did the Sharks pass
Nice.
that one up?
Madewell. Madewell doesn't sell for what it used to for me, but I'll grab their jeans any day. These are like the raw hem, high waist, 30 bucks.
Yep. I've seen them all. Ooh, hello.
Oh, good.
And it's a 1X. We love 1X.
Jasmine Ginger.
Does it? I like it bad. Okay, loose threads though can be repaired easier than holes. So these are just some loose threads. I can very easily fix those without any damage and no one would ever know.
The brand.
The brand is Eileen Fisher. We love Eileen Fisher. Eileen Fisher retails for a ton of money, and this is a linen and wool blend. We love that. So yeah, I think this is another $40 at least.
Okay, watch out, guys. You gotta get under the table because people are gonna come. Thank you so much.
Okay, this was interesting.
Yeah.
This was exciting.
This was exciting. It will need a sweater shaving. This is a Christian Dior cashmere scarf, but it's just a little neck scarf for men. Now, downside is comps actually aren't that exciting on this. Like 25 to 40, depending on condition.
$1,000?
Dollars.
Oh.
I still think, look, finding Christian Dior at a dollar sale, yes please. So I'll sweater shave it, I'll clean it up as best I can, and I hope this sells for closer to 40.
Here, Teach.
Another new with tags. This is Chaser. Chaser's a good brand. Chaser sells graphic tees and Other cool tees, this is like an off shoulder, brand new with tags again. I think this is like at least 20 bucks, 25.
I remember.
Yeah, I was at the table.
I saw there was an empty table.
Yeah.
And I was like, Ash, a lady is walking over with the bin. Stand over to that table. She's gonna drop the bin right in front of you. And she did. She dropped the bin
It was right in front of me, yeah.
But
Oh, sorry.
I'll do that.
It's all good.
at least 12 people swarmed in on the sides of you, on the other side of the table. And
they edged me out.
Suddenly, their backs are all to you.
Yeah.
And I thought, Ash, and I don't know. It just
what am I supposed to throw elbows? Like, what do I do?
You're supposed to throw elbows.
No. I was edged out. It's okay. It's too aggressive for me. I don't like it. Here you go. Okay, I'll peek behind me.
Here's a brand I've
Nike.
heard of.
We love Nike. If I find Nike for $1, I'm picking it up. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna wash it, but a standard Nike hoodie for $1, yes. Like 100%. Easy 25 bucks. We got the Carhartt. Carhartt is a brand that if you find it, even if it's got wear, it doesn't, it will still sell. Like, I have sold a pair of Carhartt pants destroyed for 20 bucks. So Carhartt will sell. So this is like a denim button down. I think I'm gonna wash it, do the best I can to rid the stains, but even so, I think this will still sell for at least 25 bucks.
You guys okay down there? Yeah. Find all kinds of stuff.
More stance.
Oh, stance. Okay.
Exciting find.
This is a stance. Yeah, stance hoodie. We love stance socks. This hoodie should be like 25 bucks.
Hi.
Welcome.
I love it. Love the dollar bins day.
Oh yeah.
4, 5, 6,
36,
37.
37.
and a 5 for 40.
All right.
All right.
The garb, yeah, the bag.
So 37 plus 40. 77, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
There's some good stuff in those bags.
There you go. You'll never know what you'll find in those bags.
And we bought 5 huge garbage bags, paid $40, and it's all mystery items. And we're gonna do that coming soon. I showed you the better stuff. All in all, I think we have at least $700 here from 30. It was chaos.
Parking.
If it were me, I would have been there all day. I would have stayed all day long, but I have children and a life and a family, so I couldn't.
Yeah,
but
we took the whole family to this one.
took the whole fam along and it was great.
That was fun.
We got lunch after. It ended up being fun. Well, you guys, thank you so much for joining us today on this fun adventure. Shout out to the Other Side Thrift, the best thrift store. I love it. Great for dollar bins days. Great every other time I go. The most fantastic, the coolest employees.
Awesome people.
The coolest employees ever.
They just win thrifting.
They do win.
There's no, I guarantee
They're
there's
so
not
great.
a better thrift store.
There's not. They're so awesome and they're so nice. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I appreciate you. If you want to follow along with more of my yard sale adventures, thrift adventures, and whatever I do at home to make money, you can click the subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. That is the best way to tell me that you like videos like this. Thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I will catch you next time.